We all know that people pay more attention to video content really than any other type of content that they'll come across. So videos are just simply more engaging by nature, and that's why it's a really good idea to think about optimizing your email content with video content or even GIFs where it makes sense. So I'll show you quickly how you can actually add a video or a GIF into your email. So here we have a template opened up. And what we could do, for example, to work a video into this particular template, let's say I want to add another section into this email. So I just need to go to here, and let's say I want to do it just maybe underneath here. And then into this section, I want to drag and drop the video element. And from here, you need to enter the video URL. So wherever you have this video that you want to share actually hosted. So YouTube is a great example, or Vimeo. So I'll just copy over an example video we have here. And then you can see it will automatically load this preview into the email, so it looks really good. And then you can format a little bit more about the way this video displays in your email. So, the play button, how it actually, the size of the preview and things like that. So this is a super easy way to be able to add video content into your emails, which is a lot more engaging and people really like to actually engage with videos. And another option you have is GIFs. GIFs, are really popular. People like to, find funny GIFs or super relevant GIFs. So this is the way you could do that is, let's say, for example, I add another just new section in just for this example to this template. And then you drag and drop the image block and choose browse, and you can directly browse the entire Giphy library right from your account. So you could find some funny GIF that kind of matches the topic of your email or whatever it is that you want to share. If it's kind of a fun campaign or holiday based email, it's a good example as well. Don't include too many GIFs, of course, embedded into your email because they can make the email a bit heavy, but certainly, one super relevant and eye-catching GIF could be a good example to include in your email. So it's as easy as that, and it really does help your email to stand out, make it more engaging, and help your audience feel more connected with this content that you're sharing, and further engage and click on your offers. And another good option for GIFs and interactive content, I'm going to go over here to the templates that we have, and you can see some of these templates. If you preview them, we've included some very light animations. So these are, like micro GIFs, almost we could call them. And they're a really cool, light way to actually be able to include this type of, engaging content in your emails. So these are ones that you have access to from the templates. And so they're a good idea. And I want to make sure that you know about them because you can simply customize the content, but you have these custom created by GetResponse designers animations available for you in addition to the full Giphy library. But just remembering that those in the Giphy library are a little bit heavier because they're like clips and GIFs from television shows or movies. And these are pretty light animations that have a lot of use cases where you might want to use them. So I want to make sure that you know about as well that you've got access to these kind of lightly created animations and designs within the pre-designed templates as well. So it's definitely easy and highly recommended to add this engaging content to your emails, and it's super easy to do it.